first thing I need to do is I wet my claw table and I put my Faber-Castell gelatos into the water. And I make a little puddle of water here, and then I go over here and I just start painting. And it's only the first layer, so I don't make sure that it's not a heavy coat, because afterwards I'm going to come back in with my pencil crayons. No, they're not called pencil crayons, but that's when I'm going to come back in after and do that. And I've covered these things here. Can you see that? Little dots, because I'm going to fill them in with white after. I don't have the big pen, the big white brush yet. Once I do, I'll test that. So I've got my layer of purple down. I'm going to take my black next, and I'm going to add black to the purple onto my craft sheet, because I really want to darken some of these darker areas with the actual purple-black mix. Just gives it more definition, I find. I'm going to darken that up. I'll darken a couple of spots in the top with the black. And I'll go in with all my big brush and my fine point afterwards to do the cleanup. But for now, I just like to highlight the outside edges. So I'll come back down here, I'll do the same thing. I don't always stay in the lines, as you can see. And then I'm going to clean my brush a little bit. And then I'm going to add some red on my craft mat and some pink on my craft mat. And a bit of water for the red. And I'm just going to start coloring lightly in different spots with the red. And this is exactly how I did the other side. I wasn't particular. Because I'm going to mix pencil crayons after, watercolor crayons. There. So I'm going to pause for a minute while I dry.